Life is not always easy. Sometimes life becomes difficult. Sometimes the heart feels heavy. Today, Rahul and Ananya talk slowly about staying calm during difficult times in life. Through their soft conversation, you will learn English calmly, clearly, step by step. Hello, Ananya.
Hello, Rahul.
You look quiet today.
Yes, my mind feels heavy.
Is something troubling you?
Not one thing, but many small things.
Life feels difficult sometimes.
Yes, very difficult.
Do you have many difficult days?
Yes, some days feel very hard.
What happens on those days?
My thoughts run fast. My heart feels tired.
That feels stressful.
Yes, I feel worried and confused.
I understand. Why do you think we feel overwhelmed?
Because we overthink.
Yes.
We think too much about problems.
We think too much about the future.
And slowly, we lose our calm.
That happens to many people. Calmness is like strength.
Yes, silent strength.
Calmness protects us.
It protects our mind.
When we are calm, we think better.
We feel lighter.
We feel safe.
Calmness is healing.
How do you try to stay calm?
I breathe slowly.
Deep breathing helps.
I sit quietly for a few minutes.
Silence is powerful.
Sometimes, I talk to someone I trust.
Sharing brings peace. Do you accept difficult times?
I am learning.
Acceptance reduces pain.
Yes, when we stop fighting.
We start healing.
Life cannot always be perfect.
But it can be peaceful. We must be kind to ourselves.
Yes, we forget that.
We speak harshly to our own heart.
That hurts inside.
Kind words calm the mind.
Gentle thoughts heal the soul.
Calmness brings hope.
Yes, slowly.
Hope says things will change.
Hope says you will be okay.
Hope and calmness walk together.
This conversation made me feel peaceful.
Me too.
Difficult times will come.
Yes, but calmness will help.
I will try to stay calm.
And I will support you.
We will keep learning.
We will keep growing.
And we will keep speaking English.
Slowly, gently. Life is not always easy, but calmness makes the journey softer. Through slow conversation, gentle emotions, and simple English, you learned language, and you learned life.